how do you go about evaluating what will be helpful for your keto diet and what is, detrimental to it?
Okay, so I've with keto and with intermittent fasting for the last 3 years, I've become sort of a in-house nutrition expert myself. I've not done any. Let me just put it out there. I've not done any sort of nutrition course or any dietary course that I need to. But I know what I'm putting into my body because it's getting me results. There are a lot of keto options available out there which are keto friendly, termed at keto friendly. You can go to big sort of supermarkets and they'll be there. They're not necessarily keto friendly. Not necessarily means it's keto.
Yeah.
Because you're not supposed to exceed a level of grams per day. You're not supposed to exceed a level of protein per day. So if it's just like it says it's a nutrition bar or let's say a protein bar which is keto friendly, you have to read the nutritional information of anything that you purchase and don't purchase anything that does not have like a nutritional information attached to it.
Yeah, isn't it illegal, Vaise, to not have that? If you don't have that, are they allowed to actually put the product out?
I have seen a lot of places where there's no nutrition information.
Oh, wow.
It's just it's in a plastic sort of a
packaging.
A lot of these people who make their in-house stuff do not have nutritional information on it.
Yeah.
Like if you make
they
your
haven't
own,
put the effort into actually getting.
So if you
done.
make your own pesto and if you make your own cheese, if you make your own hummus, you don't put nutritional information on it if it's in-house. But if it's if somebody else is doing it, and if you're stocking their stuff, you'll see per 100 grams the carbs, you'll see per 100 grams the saturated fat, you'll see what fat there is.
Yeah.
So it makes sense to go with that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And, in terms of some things that you're seeing out there, are there some good ways for people to obviously, reading up, but are there things that they should stay clear away from in terms of, if you see this particular, ingredient that this is definitely not keto friendly?
So, I know, a lot of people who think that honey is keto friendly. Honey is not keto friendly at all. Even if you make it, if you make brownies or whatever with honey and you say that you have used almond flour instead of the regular flour and you're making keto brownies, that's not keto, basically.
So what would be a substitute?
So erythritol or stevia basically you can use for making keto brownies.
That's a sweetener.
Again, that's what I'm saying. So people have a fair enough idea. I think the whole term keto is a bit sort of it sounds nice.
It's become a marketing buzzword. So everything that is labeled keto is not necessarily keto. You just use your brains. Yeah.
So because I can see through this stuff. I can see through the packaging, I can see through the contents, and if it's too frills and fancy, then it is definitely not keto.
And again, this has come from, informing yourself and making sure that you know.
Yes. So I went, one of my biggest information sources was this book by Dave Asprey called The Bulletproof Diet.
Yeah.
And I think anybody who wants to be on the keto diet should be reading this book.